The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. More than 100 militants and 15 pieces of military equipment have been eliminated by a missile strike on a temporary deployment point of foreign mercenaries near Zaporozhye. A repair and restoration point of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces has been hit by high-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces near Annovka in Donetsk People's Republic. It has destroyed up to 50 fighters and 28 pieces of military equipment. Attempt at an offensive by the 79th Airborne Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces has been disrupted by concentrated fire strikes by Russian artillery in the direction of Marvinka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has lost over 50 militants. High-precision strikes by the Russian Aerospace Forces against permanent deployment points and communication centers of the 46th Air Mobile Brigade and the 60th Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Bezemennaya, Mirolubovka and Osokorovka in Kherson region have resulted in the elimination of more than 30 militants and 5 units of military equipment. In all, the armed forces of Ukraine lost more than 110 people, including the wounded ones, as well as 13 pieces of military equipment in the direction of Nikolaev Kryvyi Rog. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes have resulted in the elimination of command post of a battalion of the 80th Airborne Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Nikolaev, temporary deployment points of foreign mercenaries, and the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zaporozhye and Rushkovka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 33 artillery units, manpower and military equipment in 178 areas. A HIMARS launching system has been struck in its firing position near Yavkino in Nikolaev region. 7 artillery platoons at the firing positions of the 57th Mechanized Infantry Brigade, the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade, the 24th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces and the 102nd Territorial Defense Brigade near Lyubimovka in Dnepropetrovsk region, Markovo, Maiskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Shevchenkovo in Nikolaev region, Zatishye and Rovnopolye in Zaporozhye region have been struck during counter-battery operation. In addition, an OSA AKM air defense missile launcher near Novoselovka in Zaporozhye region, 2 munitions depots near Antonovka and Andreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, an air defense radar station near Krasnoarmeysk in Donetsk People's Republic, and the Ukrainian Navy's Gurza armored boat near the port of Achakov were destroyed as well. 2 MiG-29 airplanes of the Ukrainian Air Force converted to use American HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down by fighter aircraft of the Russian Air Force near Novoukrayinka and Bashtanka in Nikolaev region. Russian Air Defense Forces shot down 12 unmanned aerial vehicles near Yasinovataya, Staromlinovka, Novotroitskoye, Kirillovka, Yegorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Mayachka in Zaporozhye region, Davidov Brod, Malakakhovka, Charivnoye and Mikhailovka in Kherson region. 21 shells of multiple launch rocket systems, including 18 HIMARS missiles near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region and Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and 3 OLHA missiles near Guselskoye and Neskuchnoye in Donetsk People's Republic have been also intercepted in the air. 3 American anti-radar HARM missiles were shot down near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region and Svatovo in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 301 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,074 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,111 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 845 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,413 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 5,874 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations near Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Once again, Ukrainian artillery shelled residential areas of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. During the day, Ukrainian artillery fired 59 shells. 4 of them exploded near Kazachya Street in Energodar, and 1 hit a water canal near the nuclear power plant. The shelling was carried out from Marganets and Nikopol in Dnepropetrovsk region, controlled by the Ukrainian armed forces. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counter-attack. In addition, the attempts of the Ukrainian armed forces to strike the territory of the nuclear power plant by 8 kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicles have been prevented. All Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down outside the territory of the nuclear power plant. The radiation environment at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal.